A local company is on the front lines of this pandemic, assisting in COVID vaccine trials. It says the Rochester community has been influential in the success of these trials. Mark Gruba reports.
I'm pleased to welcome Adam Larrabee, the president for Rochester Clinical Research, to the program. Adam, thanks for a few minutes. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
Rochester Clinical Research is actively working on clinical trials related to the COVID vaccine. We've reported on this. Tell us about your work and how it's impacting people, not just locally, but across the globe.
Absolutely. So yeah, we've been doing a lot of COVID-19 vaccine trials. We've participated in about 5 of the COVID vaccine trials and helped get EUA approval for 3 of them. And we couldn't do that without the volunteers in this community, both adults and children.
What are you working on currently? What will you be ramping up in the next couple of weeks as it relates to these types of clinical trials?
Sure. In the coming weeks, we will begin pediatric COVID vaccine trials in as young as 6 months, going up to 12 years old. That'd be for Pfizer, and then sponsors like Novavax, those starting their 12 to 17-year-old COVID vaccine trials. Going beyond COVID vaccines, we're involved in a lot of other important research as well, such as vaccines for Lyme disease, better medications for migraines, weight loss, smoking cessation. So we're doing a lot of research beyond just COVID, too.
Right, and obviously there's been so much focus on COVID, deservedly so in the last year plus, but obviously you're busy with other clinical trials as well. What are you doing to keep up with the pace of demand in terms of hires and volunteers as well?
Yeah, volunteers in the community is very important to our business, because without them, there would be no medicines, no new medicines approved to take. And we're also partnering with local area physicians, research assistants, nurses, lab techs, administrative staff, and call center staff. Those are the types of people that we need to do the important work that we're doing.
Let's talk about our community, Rochester. Why Rochester as it relates to Rochester Clinical Research? Why has this been a good fit for the type of work you're doing?
When I think about the people of Rochester and how it's been a good fit for our company and the work that we're doing, is Rochester is full of good people, talented people that are willing to give their time. Without them, we wouldn't be able to do what we're doing.
Well, I speak for everyone watching how grateful we are for the work that Rochester Clinical Research is doing, not as it just relates to COVID, but these other types of trials as well. Adam, thanks for a few minutes, and keep up the great work.
Thank you, Mark. Thanks for having me.
Lots more online, not just about the trials, but also volunteer opportunities and career opportunities. rcrclinical.com. We'll have that link on our site as well at rochesterfirst.com.